In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple accounts. By the end, you'll have all your social profiles connected to Later so you can schedule and manage content from one organized place. Start by logging into Later. You can do this on the web, and it's best to use the account that has the right permissions for managing social profiles. If you're part of a team, make sure you're using the workspace where you want these accounts to live. Once you're in, head to Settings, then open Social Sets and Access Groups. This is the control center for everything related to connected profiles and who can use them. Social sets help keep your different brands or clients neatly separated, while access groups let you control which teammates can work with each set. If you're not sure where to find it, look for the gear icon or the settings link in the sidebar. Inside that area, click Add Social Profile. This will launch a guided process to connect a new profile to your account. Next, choose the platform you want to add. You'll see options like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, among others. Pick the platform that matches the account you're connecting so Later can request the correct permissions from that network. You'll be redirected to the platform's login and authorization screen. Sign in to the specific account you want to connect and approve Later's access. This secure authorization allows Later to read your profile information and schedule posts on your behalf without ever storing your password. A quick tip here. Double check that you're logged into the correct social account in your browser before you authorize. If you manage multiple profiles, using a private or incognito window can help prevent connecting the wrong one. Depending on the platform, you may be asked to confirm which page or profile to connect. Make sure you select the exact one you intend to manage in Later. After authorizing, you'll return to Later and see the newly connected profile listed within your social set. That's your confirmation that everything worked. To add more, simply repeat the same process. Click Add Social Profile again, choose the next platform or account, log in, and authorize. Do this for each profile you want Later to manage. That's all there is to it. Log into Later, go to Settings, open Social Sets and Access Groups, click Add Social Profile, choose your platform, log in and authorize, and repeat for all the accounts you want to connect. Once they're in, you're ready to plan, schedule, and keep your content organized across every profile you manage.